Hello, Lei Ho, and welcome to Super.Speak.Juniors. In this topic, we'll be learning about clothes. You will notice as we are going through the topic that some words are spoken in one way, but written in another. For an explanation of why we do this, please see my other video titled Why Spoken Cantonese is Different to Written Chinese. The link is posted in the description below. Now let's begin. Clothes in spoken Cantonese.
衫
Clothes in written Chinese.
衣服
T-shirt,
T 恤
T-shirt.
T 恤
Jumper in spoken Cantonese.
冷衫
Jumper in written Chinese.
毛衣
Trousers,
長褲
trousers.
長褲
Shorts,
短褲
shorts.
短褲
Skirt,
短裙
skirt.
短裙
Dress,
連衣裙
dress.
連衣裙
Socks,
襪
socks.
襪
Tights,
襪褲
tights.
襪褲
Shoes,
鞋
shoes.
鞋
Pajamas,
睡衣
pajamas.
睡衣
Swimsuit,
泳衣
swimsuit.
泳衣
Swimming trunks,
泳褲
swimming trunks.
泳褲
Hat,
帽
hat.
帽
Scarf,
圍巾
scarf.
圍巾
Gloves,
手套
gloves.
手套
Jacket,
外套
jacket.
外套
Coat,
大衣
coat.
大衣
Slippers,
拖鞋
slippers.
拖鞋
Thank you for watching this video. For more learning resources, please go to our website www.superspeakjuniors.com. Thank you. Bye.